love fried eggs, you've got to try this recipe today. It's absolutely delicious.
This recipe couldn't be simpler. All you need are eggs and a spoonful of Lao Ganma spicy chili sauce. Crack the eggs into a bowl and set aside. This way, you won't be scrambling around when it's time to fry. Heat the pan first, then add oil. Once hot, stir-fry a tablespoon of Lao Ganma chili oil to release its aroma. It'll make the dish even more delicious. I used a fragrant spicy crispy chili oil, but feel free to use any Lao Ganma variety you prefer. Just go with your favorite flavor. The chili oil smells so incredibly fragrant. Now pour in the egg mixture and let it fry in that aromatic oil until it becomes a deliciously savory and spicy fried egg. Click the fried egg to your preferred yolk doneness. Once the bottom sets, carefully flip it over. Once the fried egg is done, transfer it out of the pan. Then continue until all the eggs are cooked. There's still some chili oil left in the pan. Pour in the egg mixture, then add a teaspoon of Lao Ganma chili oil right on top of the egg and let it fry slowly. Both methods work perfectly either way. Your fried eggs will come out rich and aromatic with a delicious spicy fragrance. Absolutely simple. It's such an easy way to upgrade your fried eggs. If you can fry an egg, you can definitely nail this recipe. You don't need to add any soy sauce to these fried eggs. Lao Ganma chili oil is already well seasoned, so extra saltiness isn't necessary. Aromatic and spicy, infused with savory chili oil-rich flavor soaks into every bite of the egg. Slightly numbing with layered umami, it awakens your taste buds in one mouthful. Simple yet deeply satisfying, a perfect blend of home-style comfort and bold, flavorful flair. Actually, the inspiration for this fried egg recipe came from sambal chili fried egg. Simply swapping out the chili sauce creates a totally different flavor and character. Maybe next time I'll try making fried eggs with Sichuan pepper and numbing peppercorns. I'll be sure to share the results with you all then. Fried eggs are rich in protein, easy to digest, and provide lasting energy. They are quick to cook and can be easily enhanced with different flavors. Simple, nutritious, and versatile, perfect for any meal of the day. This spicy fried egg is perfect with rice and also makes a fantastic breakfast sandwich. Give your morning meal a delicious twist. Eggs are a rich source of high-quality protein and essential nutrients like choline and vitamin D, offering complete and easily absorbed nutrition. They are incredibly versatile and simple to prepare, adapting easily to different taste preferences. Affordable, filling, and nutritious, eggs are a smart and delicious choice for everyday meals. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough, for VO-vegetarian. Do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.